Very exciting unboxing na punta guys. There is sa whatlingers. Dili fingers Okay. So actually, gabi we have the unveiling of whatlingers. More sa pinakabag-ong nga center guys. Wow. Sa Cebu City or going nationwide. So of course, we're very happy because they gave us this mga PR kits. Of course, atong niabrihan ang pinaka I'm very excited kay Paudo nang girorot akong perfume but karon timing kay naagid sila do ang whatlingers. And ato say open guys. Sharing. So first, of course, atong unboxing. First is we do have the Santal Noa. So katong dili katong nas barko ha. Before katong naghimong arka. So Noa. So ato siya simuton guys. Kuha siya ng scent, no? Kining, I think pwede siya unisex, this scent. Pumot siya, dili siya, mild lang siya, no? Dili ko siya isog, but this is perfect for, again, pwede siya pambabae or panlalaki. This is, again, 50 ml, and then, let's open another. 50 ml ka po rin siya, this is Drift. So, I think this is panlalaki, and I'm very excited, kay, again, panunugid hurot ang akong perfume o gidungog gid og ampo nga matagaan kog new perfume. Muta mo siya ka ng cool water something, no? Or polo sport. Perfect. Wow. ML. And next is we do have the Signature Man. Of course, panlalaki yung Signature Man. 50 ml pa na siya. And si Moton. Mild lang siya. This is also, yun pa siya. No? Pang everyday or every time malakaw ka. So, and any occasion and everything nice. Okay, and of course, we do have next atong swag bag. Tanawang naon ko, di ba, swag, di ba? So, swag bag. May naman kayo natin yung swag bag sa dili, swag lang naon. So, nasa ka ng rug button. Nice po siya sulanan, okay, very white and very virgin. Okay, purity man gid siya basta white ana siya. So daga siya so dere. And of course first is t-shirt. Wow. Whatlingers. Oh. Na siya. Whatlingers. Nice. So I think large ni siya. So definitely igo ni Sakura. Thank you so much. And napatay few things dere. First is Whatlingers yapon. Tabrihan. So wow, na siya tester guys. Wow. Tester. Okay. Next is na siya, I think this is magnetic siya, no? Ref magnet gid siya. Sakto gid. Ref magnet. So wala tayo lang kabutangan ni, of course, ref line sa kayo. So very explainable na gid siya. So dapat sila nice kayo nga whatlingers nga pen or ball pen. So, of course, dili siya mukurente, no? Dili siya katong prang-prang ng mukurente. Okay, and then next is, oh my god, this is very nice. Wow. So this is actually kadabang sudlan na sa mong perfume. So di na ka magdada sa mong perfume. So this is many, and it daghan ako nakita na ni online, but they gave us this, but wow, thank you so much. Perfect niya sa pang dala-dala sa bag, no? And yeah, maura to siya so far, but this is actually good for business po. Sa ganahan maging distributor na atay kodigo. Di ba? Atay information about this Whatlingers Partner Program. They do have 3 ways to join here. First is they do have Send a Curator. This is 1,999 pesos. Second is Send a Curator Plus with entry level of reseller package number 2. Investment is 3,999 pesos. Last but not the least, the Send Collector, which is 7,999 pesos. So if you'd like to know more about this, please do PM their Facebook page. Please also don't forget to like and follow. And for more inquiries, if na mo any other questions, guys, please do comment below. Ayaw o kalimot, guys, to also like and follow all my social media accounts. More na for today's video. Thank you so much. Og aras na, be a distributor na.